So we have some herbs here we're going to be planting today. And while herbs are very good and they do well and they are good in dishes, they also can overtake a garden. So we have these small brown planters. We're going to be cutting the bottoms out and actually planting the herbs inside of the planters inside of the garden in a means to help control. So some herbs grow through runners, some grow through seed, going to seed. I think I can keep up with the seed production by deadheading before they turn to seeds, but hopefully the planter pot will keep the runners at bay. So we will see if this is a good option. So come along with me and see what we get. So all we're going to be doing today is taking off the bottom of the planter and then cutting out the bottom to allow for the roots to grow. So nothing super fancy, just cutting it open so that they can grow. All right. Thanks.